In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently update the data behind your charts linked between Google Sheets and Google Slides. This process will ensure that your presentation always reflects the most current data from your spreadsheet, making your insights accurate and up to date. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Google Sheets document. Make sure that the data feeding into your chart is correctly updated there. This step is crucial because any discrepancies here will carry over into your Google Slides presentation. So, once you're confident that everything is in place and accurate, we can move on to the next part of the process. Next, switch over to your Google Slides presentation. Find the slide containing the chart that's linked to your Google Sheets data. This link between Sheets and Slides is what enables the seamless updating of data, making your workflow both efficient and effective. Once you're on the correct slide, click on the chart to select it. By doing so, you allow Google Slides to recognize that you're interested in potentially updating the chart with fresh data. Now, your attention should be directed to finding the Update button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the chart or conveniently nearby the linked icon. Clicking this Update button is a vital step as it prompts the chart to refresh, thereby pulling in the latest data from your Google Sheets document. It's a simple click, but it ensures your presentation is accurate and aligns with the most recent information in your spreadsheet. In instances where you have multiple linked items, like various charts and tables throughout your presentation, and you want to update all of them simultaneously, Google Slides offers a very useful feature to help with this. Rather than updating each chart or table individually, which can be time-consuming, you can use the Linked Objects tool. To do this, navigate to the menu at the top, where you will select Tools. From there, click on Linked Objects. This action will open a sidebar on the right-hand side of your screen, showcasing all the linked elements in your presentation. Here, you can clearly see each item and their update status. To refresh all of your linked items at once, simply click on the Update All button located in this sidebar. This will automatically synchronize all linked charts and tables with the latest data from your Google Sheets. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to update your linked charts in Google Slides to ensure they accurately reflect your latest data from Google Sheets. This efficient process not only saves you time, but also helps maintain the integrity and reliability of your data-driven presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy presenting.